Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to promote your Clickbank affiliate offers for free as a beginner without website. And you can apply this technique not just on Clickbank, you can also apply it on JVizio, Digistore24, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale and all the other affiliate networks. But before we begin, please like this video, and if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn all notifications on so you don't miss any of my new videos. With that being said, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. First thing you need to do, you need to come on LinkedIn. And for those of you who don't know what LinkedIn is the biggest social network for professionals. And first thing you need to do, you need to make your profile. You need to add your first name, your last name, your education, work experience, and so on and so on. And after you create your LinkedIn profile, you need to come on homepage. As you can see, LinkedIn homepage pretty much looks like a Facebook feed, so it's a familiar surrounding. And when we go on SimilarWeb and when we scroll here, we will see that LinkedIn is getting more than 1 billion visits every month. And when we scroll here, we will see that more than 45% of visitors are coming from highly developed countries like United States, United Kingdom, France, and Canada. And what you need to do is you need to publish article on LinkedIn. Before I show you how to publish articles on LinkedIn, let me just show you a few examples. Because we are talking about making money online and affiliate marketing, here in search bar I will just type affiliate marketing for this example. And then click here on content. And here you can choose relevancy or latest articles. And here on the feed you can see all the articles related to affiliate marketing. And for example, when you click here on see more, you can read entire article. You can add photos and images, and you can also add hashtags just like on Facebook, and that will increase your reach. And some articles are short like this one, and some articles are longer and more informative like this one here. You can make LinkedIn your personal blog, and you can grow your connections just like on any other social network, and in that way you will get guaranteed views, guaranteed readers of your articles. And when you post a long link on LinkedIn, just like Clickbank affiliate link, LinkedIn will automatically shorten that link just like this. And this guy is actually promoting affiliate program, which means you can add your affiliate link directly in your LinkedIn article. And you can apply this technique not just in affiliate marketing, you can apply it on workout niche, in DIY niche, in pets niche. For example, if you're in dog niche, you can start publishing high quality, informative articles about dogs. And in that way, you will establish yourself as an authority among dog experts. And in that way, you will get even more authority. So now we need to publish article on LinkedIn. If you are not good at writing articles, what you can do is you can come on this website, free PLR article directory. As you can see, they have more than 100,000 free PLR articles that you can use any way you want. Here you can see most recent articles, and here you can see categories. And because we are in affiliate marketing category, we are going to click on affiliate marketing. And they will show us all affiliate marketing related articles that we can use. And let's just find articles we are going to publish on LinkedIn. Okay, let's say I wish to use this article here. Affiliate marketing mixed with Google AdSense equals profit. Just click on this article. And here you can see article. And when you scroll here, you can see that this article has 822 words. Even though these are free PLR articles and you can use them any way you want, I strongly recommend to rewrite these articles. I already showed you in few of my videos how to do that. So now we have our article and we need to publish that article on LinkedIn. So we just go back on LinkedIn and I will click here on home to go on my home page. And then I am going to click here on write article. And here you can add header image, just click on it and choose the image, click OK, and you will upload header image. Now we need to add headline, so you just go back on free directory. I will just copy this headline. Like I said, rewrite this article, but for this example, I will just copy this, paste it here, and now we need to add our article. So you go back again, and I will copy this. Copy, go back on LinkedIn, paste it here. And just press enter, and now we need to go back on our article. I will copy this, copy, go back on LinkedIn, scroll here, and paste it here. and again scroll to the bottom, press enter, go back, copy this, copy, go back on LinkedIn and paste it here. And now we need to add our affiliate link. So you just come back here and again press enter, and I strongly recommend to add your affiliate link after your first paragraph. So now we need to find product to promote, and for that I'm going to use Clickbank, and I will come on Clickbank Marketplace, and because we're talking about affiliate marketing, I will click here on e-business and e-marketing, and I will click here on affiliate marketing, and Clickbank will give me a list of all the products in this subcategory. And you should go through all of these products, and you should go through their affiliate page and check them out to see which product is the best for you to promote. And let's say I wish to promote this product here, 12-minute affiliate system. I actually know that this is really good product, and I will leave you a link in description, so if you want, you can check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm open their sales page, and I will check it out. Okay, let's just scroll through their page. As you can see, you can test this product for just $9.95. And let's just copy this. Highlight it, copy, and I will go back on LinkedIn and I will paste it here. So now I need to go back on Clickbank and I will click here on promote and I will click here on generate hook link, and this is my affiliate link. I will copy this and I will go back on LinkedIn, and this is what is interesting for LinkedIn. You should not highlight this. No, you just click something like this and then click on this little chain here. And here you can add your text. Let's just say click here. And then I will paste my Clickbank affiliate link here and then just press enter, and that's it. And now when someone click on this link, it will take them to this sales page. And if they buy this product, I am going to get a commission. Just go back on LinkedIn and I will just copy this, copy, and I will add that here. Again, paste it here, and I will add another one on the bottom. Just enter and paste it here. And now you need to add hashtags. Just press enter and then just add hashtag, and let's say make money online space and again hashtag, and let's say affiliate marketing, and so on and so on. And after you add your hashtags, just click here on publish, and that's it. You published your article on LinkedIn. And like I said, when you go through these articles, you will see that many people use their affiliate links in their LinkedIn articles. And all you have to do now is just publish quality articles, use right hashtags, and grow your connections. In this way, you will get more and more reads, more and more viewers of your articles, and in that way you will send more and more people to your affiliate offer, and you will start making sales with the free traffic. So this is how you promote your Clickbank affiliate offers with free traffic and LinkedIn. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.